friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine, and I am just enjoying the weather now and starting to work on my spring projects. So if you want some ideas, this is the video for you. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina and I love to paper craft as well as to organize my crafting supplies. So if you're interested in watching those type of videos, just click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And today's video, it's a video response to one of the crafters who I admire here in YouTube. Her name is Lily. She's Craftingwithliller, and she is having her 10K challenge here in YouTube. And I am just so excited to show you what I put together for her. And I am going to leave the link of her video in the description box below. And I'm going to flip my camera so you can watch what I sent to Craftingwithliller Lily here in YouTube. I will be right back. Okay, I am here and I'm going to show you what I am sending to Craftingwithliller for her 10K challenge. And I am going to show you the two tags that I'm sending to her. So the first one, I just use regular Tim Holtz tag, and I use some of the Prima Marketing chipboard, a couple of trims. This is a really old pocket from KC and Company, and here I just have like a little taggy and a resin flower. And the next one, it's a Prima Marketing tag that I use. What I did was I stamp this doll and also stamp the dress and paint it with some of my markers, and then I sewed this trim, some of the confetti chipboard and confetti ephemera. I put a resin flower, some stickles here, and this is also another piece of ephemera from confetti. So it's in the colors that she requested: mint, corals, pinks. And so these are my two taggies. And now let's move to the embellish bags. So I got these bags from Joann's, and what I did was I used a Project Life card and stitched the chipboard and some tulle, and this is confetti little knickknacks, and it turned out really pretty. And then the other one, the same, I cut a Project Life cards, the same thing. This is a Project Life card that I cut it, some of the Chasing Dreams papers, another chipboard from another collection, and here you go. And then I am also giving her a memory dex card that I put together, again using Project Life cards. I stitch around even on top of the chipboard, put some bling bling here, more chipboard. This is one of the tickets from Maggie Holmes confetti, and more chipboard. This is a paper from Chasing Dreams, some of the tools from Walmart, some bling bling. And then on the back, my information. So these are the things that I'm sending to Craftingwithliller for her 10K challenge. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.